in here. Look what's in here, everyone, and I would just like to thank my 2 subscribers, whoever they are. Please leave your YouTube names or your names in the comment section on this for this video. But in this video, I am downloading. Install it. Still know where it is. Oh crap! Plus balls. And if you have a channel with any videos, I might go over to your channel and subscribe to you. But yes, just get into the game we're playing. It's called First Piano. I know I just downloaded it. Don't cheat. Huh. Ah, it's still downloading. It's Fartboard on. I don't think I even have Fartboard. It's called Fartboard. If anyone didn't know that, it is soured. Ah, crap. And it's called Kung Fu Gaming. Oh my gosh. I don't care. For sound. I just want to tap stuff. This is a complicated game. I'm not gonna play it. If it's not complicated, I'm gonna play it because I don't like complicated games. Oh, I can really see what I saw one of those, but I don't care anymore. Break this out! Break it out. I have to take my headphones off. I can hear it, and my headphones are off. Can you read this, guys? But one last reminder, whoever my 2 subscribers are, would you please leave your names in the comment section below, because I really like that, so I can know who you are, know if you have a YouTube channel, know if you have any videos, so I can subscribe to you. Thank you for your support, and I hope everyone watching this likes it. Likes the video. Here we go. Part number 1. Part number 2. Part number 3. Part number 4. Part number 5. Oh, that's fast. Part number 6. If you don't like inappropriate games like this, just maybe comment section, but please do not. You know, I really need these subscribers. Number 7. Very bugging. Let's go 8. Oh God, you have a problem more. Where's this one taking us? Frickin' gummies. This one around. Fucking Johnny. Fart Machine Extreme. It's supposed to be extreme, so it's probably extreme. I don't know yet. I haven't played this game ever. I just downloaded it like a couple seconds ago and promise. I didn't like this. Bye bye. Oh God. Dude. Come on. Sorry, I don't know what happened, but it's not a fart machine. Stickman run. Talking James. This is pretty boring, right? You're not getting any fart decisions. games to play. Wee. Right in the middle. You know what? Screw this game. I just downloaded it thinking it would be cool. But I have to end it before it hits 50 minutes. I had a video that was going to called Fails about a bunch of fails, but it rejected since it was only 50 minutes. It just broke my heart. But I knew when I was going to put out my first video. This is actually my second video of killing my bosses. My number one video, but it was my first video. That got people attracted to me, got subscribers, and I love to thank those subscribers. It's another one of the Dolphin family. I know someone had the same tag as me, but the symbol was a Minecraft Dolphin with a crown on. Mine's not. Dun, 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 dun. Roadhogs. Number 2. It took me that long. Roadhog 2. Oh yeah, I can see why I didn't want to do this one. I need like I need one of those. You know what? I can't do this level. Can't do this anymore. I really like when pigs fly. Favorite one, but it just won't let me get anywhere. Like, can't get places. I've already. Yep, that's what happens. Yeah, click it. Ah, crap. Why can't I just have them attached to me? That work or just fly off in space? Nope, doesn't work. Ooh, we just went up and up. No! Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh, it's my video. No, sorry, I'm back. Start. Let's play. Take me off to the riverside. Stop what? What, making videos? I just like making them to watch them. Why don't you just watch them? Now get less subscribers. Come on now. What's that? To the bottom, to the bottom. You have some?
Yeah, Mommy says we do.
Has it? I heard you ask. Did it expired?
Let's take a look. Let me see. Come here.
Fine.